Do you guys need a small keyboard for work or school? In this video, I will show you guys many different options for an amazing portable keyboard. Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to the channel. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment as it really helps me out. Now let's get into this video. Our first keyboard is a DYRA T68SE. Other than that name, this keyboard is amazing in all aspects. This keyboard is mechanical and costs $25. This keyboard has 3 different types of switches, which are blue, red, and brown. There is amazing RGB with an ultra compact design. This keyboard uses USB-C and it only needs one USB-C port and is plug and play. There are 19 different RGB modes and colors to fit the vibe of your setup. It also is compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7 if you guys are all the way down at 7. If you guys need an amazing compact keyboard for only $25, this keyboard is perfect for you. Our second keyboard is a Cactus 60% keyboard. This keyboard costs $26. With the compact design, these 60% keyboards are known for their small and lightweight form factor, making them ideal for users trying to save desk space or have a more minimalistic setup, which is better. It is mechanical and connects via USB. You have many options for different types of switches, such as Cherry MX, Gatorons, and others. There is of course great RGB to fit your setup theme. If you guys want an amazing, great value keyboard, this keyboard is perfect for you. Our third keyboard is the DYRA DK61E. It is 60%. This keyboard costs $27. This keyboard connects via USB and is mechanical. The wireless connectivity is great, as it has amazing Bluetooth connectivity, making it convenient for on-the-go typing or pairing with multiple devices. This keyboard's features is practical for those who switch between devices frequently. The DYRA provides software for programming macros, remapping keys, and customizing the keys to your liking. The RGB is great, with good customization to fit your setup theme. The keycaps are double-shot ABS, which provides stability and prevent keys from wearing off over time. If you guys want amazing quality and great keycaps and great customizability, this keyboard is perfect for you. Now before we get into this next mic, I wanted to remind you guys to subscribe, like, and comment, as it's free and only takes 5 seconds to do. I will give you guys 5 seconds right now to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that you're done, even if you're not done, now I'm going to give you an extra 5 seconds, but I'm going to keep going. I would explain how much it helps me, but that would take too long, so let's just get back into this video. Our fourth keyboard is a Supra 60%. This keyboard costs $25 and is a membrane keyboard. I wanted to include a membrane keyboard because some people do like the feel of membrane keyboards more than mechanical. The main difference between is that membrane keys are more clicky and less quiet. So if this is your type of keyboard, this is a great option. This keyboard comes in blue, black, white, half black, and half gray if you want that too. The keyboard uses USB and has a nice ergonomic and compact feel. The keyboard is very minimalistic with only 61 keys. Perfect with amazing backlighting and powerful RGB throughout the whole keyboard. If you guys want an amazing membrane keyboard, this keyboard is perfect for you. The Cactus 60% keyboard is our final keyboard in this video and costs $23. This keyboard offers a minimalistic, space-saving design. It ditches the number pad and function rows keys, making it incredibly compact without compromising other essential functions. Now this keyboard is ideal for cramped spaces, frequent travelers, or those looking for declutter their desk setup. With blue mechanical keys that give a satisfying click sound and with resistance with each keystroke, so you can be confident with every move you make. This keyboard is comfortable to type since it features deeper key travel and greater feedback and more space between keys, so even if you have bigger fingers like me, you won't be smashing all over the keys. It connects via USB-C and is plug and play with no drivers. Thank God. The RGB is under every key, and there is RGB backlight for strong RGB without needing drivers and software. If you guys want a perfect portable keyboard for typing, plug and play, this keyboard is perfect for you. And that's it, guys. Those are my top 5 60% keyboards. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to like, sub, and comment. See you in the next one. Peace.